Hello everyone. Our today's topic of discussion will be a new data structure in the Java programming language. So, before discussing about this data structure, let us have some prerequisite knowledge about arrays. So, as we know, arrays is a type of a non-primitive data type in which we store multiple values. So, one of the basic drawbacks of array is once declared, it cannot change its size. So, it is sometimes very hectic to add extra elements. To add extra elements once the size of the array is defined. So, to remove these difficulties or to remove these disadvantages, and another data structure is introduced in Java, that is the array list. Array list is basically a type of array, but it grows dynamically as and when we add or remove elements. So basically, ArrayList uses a type of the method, that is a grow method, in which once the size of the array is full, then it invokes the grow method. This grow method then creates a new array in which it first copies all the elements of the parent's array one by one and further allows the user to add extra elements in it. So this is the main advantage of the array list. Array list uses wrapper classes. That is, if you want to use the primitive data types, for example, the int, the character, boolean, etc., so its corresponding wrapper class must be used. So, for example, if we want to create an array of int data type, then its corresponding wrapper class is integer. So, some of the methods which are used in the array list are as follows. The first one is add. With the help of this method, an element is added to the last index. Second method is the add method. With the help of this method, an element is added to the specified index of the array. It is important to note that if the user tries to add the element which is either having index less than 0 or greater than its length capacity, then it will throw array out of bound exception. So with this method, once the element is added at index, all the subsequent elements are right shifted. The third method is the size. With the help of this method, the size of the given array list can be calculated. Clone method. So one of the important method is clone method, which creates a shallow object of the original array list. So this sums up our discussion on the array list, its advantages over our classical array, as well as some of the important methods which we can use in the array list. Thank you.